Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, expiration day today for the indexes and equities. Now, VIX expiration is actually next Wednesday, so keep that in mind. But this morning we did see a little bit of a markup in the SPX, some selling pressure, and then some renewed strength here midday. And with that, we're seeing the VIX cash pushing down to 2630. Low end of the range for today and low end of the range for the last couple of weeks. And as we move into expiration week for the VIX, I want to point out that roll market between July and August, is widening again today, to be expected with the VIX cash trending lower. Currently right around $2.40, so it's stretching out. We're seeing a steepening of that curve, but probably more importantly for traders moving through the next week or so is the roll market between September and August, as that will become the lead roll market on Wednesday, and that's currently a dollar wide, so we are seeing that widen as we move into expiration week. Looking at realized volatility, short-dated realized volatility right around 15.5%, so that's down quite a bit from last week. 30-day realized volatility still holding around 26.5%, so not too significant of change there. Short-dated realized volatility certainly has trended lower here in the last 10 trading days. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 114.5, and that's planing out here. So we continue to see pretty decent demand for VIX options as we move into expiration week. And I want to point out, looking at July options, at the money activity on both puts and calls, a little bit of out of the money too, but more so right around the at the money strikes. Looking at August, we're seeing out of the money calls trading quite a bit, a little bit some out of the money puts, but really when you get into September and October, it's more on the put side. We're seeing more activity there. And a big trade in December today. We did see a December 50-80 call spread go up about 15 to 20,000 chimes. So again, some trading all the way out to the month of December today. Next week, I want to point out, earnings going to be very pivotal, I think, in price action. Certainly expiration for the VIX will be key for the VIX options and futures, as well as the Fed speak that will continue to roll out. And also, I think the government stimulus discussions are going to continue to create some volatility in the market. So those are the things I'm watching for, on top of certainly this COVID-19 situation as that continues to progress.